So, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Today, I'm in Les Deux Alpes, the two Alps in France. I think it's one of the most underrated ski resorts in the entirety of Europe. I normally go to the three valleys. I've been to Austria, I've been to Andorra, and then this year we decided to come here. And wow, and in today's video, I'm gonna take you through exactly what it is like, a review of pretty much everything, because if you're looking for a fantastic ski resort for a good price, then this could be the one for you. But without further ado, look at this view today. One of the first people out here on piste. A little bit crunchy. Just to give you a bit of perspective on the resort. So it's called the Two Valleys because there's two different valleys, of course. One's over here, which is quite small. There's a few greens, there's a few reds, there's a few blues. A nice sort of intro to the day. Then over the other side, where it's mostly in the shade right now, are these massive new lifts. Loads and loads of different runs, loads and loads of different valleys, and that is the main sort of hub of the area. So here's not bad for a small little ski. You could do it in half a day, all of the runs. So we just came off the second new cable car. So you get one cable car up, which is really nice of view from the bottom, and another cable car up to, I think we're at 3,000 something feet. Today's quite blizzardy. You'll see there's a few chairlifts, blue run, red run. So far, I think this is a really nice resort. Like a bit less known than Three Valleys, but the conditions today are pretty wild. However, all in all, pretty good, guys. We're going to ski down this blue. I'll show you some more of the run. Stay tuned to get the truth about it. So this is one of the two new cable car lifts. This is Jandry, and it is actually so nice on the inside. Loads of seats, loads of space to get everyone in, so the queue's not too big. And it's pretty rapid. This is the slow part. All right, first black of the trip as well. We're going to review this Valentine. Looks like a nice easy start, very difficult slope. That wasn't too bad, I didn't think. So that's the black we just did. Bailey's about to send it, I think, as well. That wasn't too bad, I didn't think, you know?
No, it's alright.
Like, it's steep, but the powder's so nice.
Yeah.
That you had plenty of ground to turn.
Oh,
Look at Bailey. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Come close, come close.
I tried to pop over the lip. Ski sunk. I was like, whoa!
Alright, here comes Taylor, absolutely bombing it. Holy smokes. Oh my god. Oh my god. The Halliday brothers showing off on the camera. This red right here is absolutely lovely. We went up to Diables or something, and then got another cable car lift up to the top. And there's a black that we just showed you that wasn't too bad, where Bailey fell over, and a lovely red. And the red was long, but fantastic. Well, ski lift one of the day. Going up this little left. Lovely view. Again, at 9 o'clock in the morning and no queue at all. So as far as we're concerned, no queues for the ski lifts or cable cars is a massive win that this resort definitely has all the time. So, hey, ski resort 2025, baby. And some of these chairlifts have a cable car attached at the same time as an actual chairlift, doing the same route, which is pretty random, to be honest. I'll see you up there. Bailey, how are you after your fall yesterday? That madness when you quit?
Yeah, no, that was fine. That was absolutely
fine. That's the beautiful thing about skiing. You fall over at insane speeds and you're perfectly fine.
If anything, I was happy with the cool image
Yeah.
of the beard after.
Yeah, actually, it's kind of good I got it on camera because I feel like those memories live a lot longer. All right, so you just sent it down, those crazy moguls. Yeah, ready whenever you are, mate. There's the boys go again. I don't know if they look steep, but it's a black and the moguls are massive, but they're nice and powdery. So if you can great practice, you fall over, it doesn't hurt. This side of this valley, wherever we are, is by far the nicest, like Les Foot. Quiet, powdery snow, less discovered, no queues for the chairlift. It's like the hidden gem within this resort, but I gotta get going, so. Got the funicular up here. We were trying to go to the highest point, the peak. But we think the peak's over there. The lift is closed. But still, stunning view. Over there, in the clouds, the mountains. Good job, I've got 0.5. Well played. What do you reckon, Tom, so far this resort? Good, pretty solid, isn't it? Pretty solid. In the clouds right now. Good run. Good run. Right, we're going to get down there. And it only gets steeper down there.
And if you're into skiing, I saw some of the highest quality salopettes in the nicest, coolest colors because I think it's important to look good on the slopes. And I'll leave a link down below to my page where they are super budget friendly, but also super cool and vetted.